All right, WMC, this is the video to determine the draft order for tonight's break number 6, which is the treasure chest. So we'll check the time, June 17th, and we'll let this roll over here to 1:07 p.m. We're going to go over to the break. There we go. Type live. We have June 17th at 1:07 p.m. There are our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then after the final roll, whatever order we have is our draft order. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher, and there is 8. So 8 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Chad number 1, Josh 2, Russell 3, Bob 4, and so on. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, June 17th, 1:07 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.